How to search and find WhatsApp voice messages or notes. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, download Opus Player WhatsApp Audio by searching on Play Store. Simply download it and open the file. After you've done that, give access to this file. Simply click on Use this folder on bottom and then click on Allow. After you've done that, you'll find all the dates available of voice notes. Simply click on the voice notes to play it. You can select all the dates you want. As you can see, there is 2025 to 2023, and in this way you can search voice message. This is how to search and find WhatsApp voice messages or notes. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.